Wrestling a garden hose feels like fighting a giant, uncooperative snake that has absolutely no interest in helping you clean your car. You pull, it kinks. You tug, it catches under the tire. By the time you actually get water flowing, you're already annoyed and probably a little bit damp. That is the exact moment I started looking for a better way to handle outdoor chores without the drama of tangled lines and heavy equipment. I stumbled upon this cordless pressure washer from a brand called Seese, and honestly, it changes the entire rhythm of a Saturday afternoon. The core of the appeal is the total lack of a tether. You are not hunting for an outdoor power outlet or dragging a 50-foot hose through the flower beds. It runs on a rechargeable battery and uses a clever portable bottle system for its water source. You literally just fill up a container, snap it onto the device, and you are ready to blast away. It turns a chore that usually requires a massive setup into something you can do on a whim. Think about those quick tasks that usually get ignored because they are too much of a hassle. Maybe the patio chairs are covered in a fine layer of yellow pollen, or your mountain bike is caked in dried mud after a weekend trail ride. With a traditional pressure washer, you would spend 10 minutes just getting the machine out of the garage. With this handheld unit, you are done with the actual cleaning before you would have even finished untangling a standard hose. Now, we have to be realistic about the muscle behind it. This unit delivers about 500 pounds per square inch of pressure. In the world of industrial cleaning, that is on the lighter side. You are not going to be stripping old, stubborn paint off a deck or deep cleaning a driveway that has 20 years of oil stains. But for everyday grime, dust, and light mud, it is surprisingly effective. It strikes a balance between a regular garden nozzle and those massive, gas-powered beasts that sound like a jet engine. It feels more like using a sturdy power drill than a piece of heavy machinery. It is lightweight, easy to grip, and does not leave your arm vibrating for an hour after you finish. That portability is the real selling point here. You can take it to the far corner of the yard where the hose does not reach. You could even toss it in the trunk for a quick rinse at a campsite or after a beach day. It simplifies the process by removing the friction points that make us procrastinate. Some people will always prefer the raw, bone-shaking power of a plug-in unit. And that is fine if you are doing heavy-duty restoration work. But for the person who just wants a clean car and a tidy porch without the headache, this cordless approach is a massive win. It turns maintenance into a quick, satisfying task rather than a dreaded weekend project. It is all about reclaiming your time and keeping things simple. When a tool actually makes your life easier instead of adding another layer of complexity, you know you have found something worth keeping in the tool shed. It is about the freedom to spray down a dusty window or a muddy pair of boots without a second thought. You do not need a trailer or a dedicated storage shelf for this thing. It just fits into your life. If you have ever felt defeated by a pile of tangled plastic and leaking brass fittings, this might be the exit ramp you have been looking for. It is practical. It is fast. It just works.